Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Neet 2024 result is out and the result is extremely shocking. There are 89 students who are getting 720 marks and the student who is scoring 715 marks is getting a rank of 225.
What?
Just imagine, only 5 marks, only one question is wrong and still getting the rank of 225. Maybe the student getting 715 not get the AIMS Delhi, which is the dream college of every medical student. Those who are getting marks above 650 could feel themselves safe, and others who are unable to crack this time, please don't feel demotivated, please don't be depressed, please be relaxed and focus whether you have to take a drop or you have to go in any another branch. Because I am not the someone who can tell you, who can suggest you that you should take a drop or not, because it doesn't depend on one condition, that whether how many drops you have taken. There are many factors like your family condition, like the number of marks you are lagging behind, like the support that you get from your family, and last, the number of drops you took. So there are many factors other than this also. There are many factors in everyone's life. So the full decision is yours. You have to think, sit for 2 days, think what to do and just be focused. And don't feel that I have to do only MBBS. There are many other professions where you can earn good, where you can live a better life. So, focusing on all the points, please choose your right career that you want to pursue in future. In this video, I am going to tell you about the NEET 2024 qualifying cutoff category wise. It is for those who want to take the admission abroad or want to take the admission in the private medical college. So these are the minimum marks which you should have in NEET 2024. Without ado, let me begin the video. But if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel because you are going to get all the NEET related counseling videos in this channel. Let us begin. NEET 2024 unexpected qualifying cutoff. It is really an unexpected. No one expected this. In 23, 22 and 21, the cutoff was around 138 marks, 137 marks. But now it is not even 140, not even 150. The cutoff is 164 for unreserved category. Can you imagine? 164. For EWS, 164. For OBC, SC and ST, it is 129 marks. This is the qualifying cutoff for NEET 2024. So if you are getting these many marks, these are the minimum marks. And if you want to pursue your MBBS journey in a private medical college or in abroad, you can go for it. And for the other students, those who are getting 650 above or those who are getting around 640, and for them I'm going to make the video soon according to all the data collected afterwards for the expected NEET 2024 cutoff for government medical college. So please stay tuned to my channel and take care. Bye bye.